you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new subscription box to show you guys, and that is CoopCrate. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this CoopCrate box just arrived, and Arena from Boxes and Deals was actually kind enough to send this my way to show you guys. So thank you so much, Arena, for sending me this box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, so this video is going to be in collaboration with Arena. If you have not checked out her or her channel, I will leave it all linked down below. Go definitely check her out. She's amazing. She has been doing this for a very long time. She has a lot of subscription boxes, reviews, deals, and all of that she brings to the table. So if you like what I'm doing, you'll love what she's doing. Plus, we now have a new common, I guess, hobby or whatever you want to call it, because now we both are chicken moms. So if you saw last month, I did bring the Chicken Love box to my channel, and I purchased one of the boxes to send to her so you guys can see what the difference was between the mini version and the full box for that one. It was so neat. I love doing that with her. So for this month, she flipped it and reversed it, and she sent me one of these for the CoopCrate. So this is the third one that actually I had seen when it comes to chicken subscription boxes. So again, thank you so much, Rena. You are amazing. She will be linked down below. Definitely go check her out. Give her a follow. It's free. You help us out, and we love making content for you guys. So here we go. So what I like to do when I first bring a box to my channel is tell you all about it first, and then we will dive in, see what's inside, so then we can kind of learn about the company, kind of see what we should be expecting that should be inside the box. So for this one, what I have found, I'm on their site actually right now. So it says how CoopCrate works. You sign up. CoopCrate is available for chicken keepers in the United States and Canada. So they will ship to US and Canada. Your first box ships today. Following chicken boxes ship on the 15th. US shipping is free. Open and enjoy. New gifts for pet chickens in every unique box. And then it says chicken grooming tools, gourmet treats, and more. And again, that is why I'm so excited about these boxes, so I can learn more about what we should be giving to them, different things that they need. And so I'm so excited. This one actually does something neat. It says, get a chance to win a free chicken coop every month. I guess they put in like a little ticket, and if you get it, you can redeem it for this small chicken coop right here. That's amazing. So let's go ahead and see where the pricing would be. The only thing I can do is click on sign up for CoopCrate. It brings you to an order page, and it says $34.95, but then it's automatically taking money off, charging $26.21 for the very first box. And then it will tell me that it will renew next month, and you can put in all your information to sign up. So it looks like it will be $34.95 per month, and US shipping is free. So now I know Rena and I were talking, and we were a little confused if this one has like a welcome box or if it's just the monthly box, because of it ships that same day and then it will renew on the 15th. So I'm not quite sure. If you want to pop on over to her video, you can see what she got in her box to compare with what I got in my box. But she's going to open up the CoopCrate on her channel. I'm going to open up this one on mine. So then we can, like I said, we'll be able to see what the difference is between them and know if this is one that we want to stay with, keep with, not mess with, whichever. So let's go ahead and dive in. It does say proudly packaged by Mel. That's cute that they do put a sticker there. So Mel's the one that put my box together. This is what it looks like. You have the CoopCrate, and then you have some little designs around the outside. One thing I do want to point out though, if this is their monthly box, this is definitely the smallest packaging box between all of the other chicken boxes that I've got. So we'll see right now what's in here. So when you open it that way, or yeah, get them out of there. So it says CoopCrate again. When you first open it up, it says meet the chicken you helped this month. Oh, that's actually really neat. CoopCrate is proud to donate to rescue facilities that help neglected farm animals find loving homes. Each CoopCrate box you purchase helps a chicken in need. This box won't just spoil your chickens, it also helps other chickens who are looking for their own forever homes. Oh my gosh, that is so neat. Thank you from our flock. So this is Oscar. So Oscar is who Rena helped by passing this box my way. So thank you, Rena, for helping Oscar. And this is what it looks like down inside. I don't know if there's going to be a card. There's something on the bottom. So let's just go with the very first thing. It says hen humor. What do you get if a chicken lays an egg on a hill? An egg roll. An egg roll. Do they do this every month? I don't know. Remember, the chicken treats and gear we send are all exclusive to CoopCrate and not available anywhere else. We hope your flock loves them. Oh, there's some good, useful information. So that's what it says on the back of the card. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you open it. Let's see what's all inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so these are the fly larvae, and I hear that they are, I guess, really like them on top of like the mealworms. Some even like it better than mealworms. So I'm so glad that I at least have a smaller package to try out before buying that big ass bag of them. So that is really neat. So this one says Stella's famous flock spoilers. Gourmet treats for backyard chickens. Life is short. Spoil your chickens. Sprinkle them on the ground to spoil your flock or offer them as a special treat right from your hand. Your chickens will love you for it. So now we have it looks like a little, is this just like a little like stress relieving type little ball thing? I'm not quite sure, but it's like a little green chicken and it feels like a little stress ball. So there's that. Now we have is rosemary herbal health booster. Now I have rosemary and oregano growing wild in my garden, and I know a lot of like the bedding type stuff is like a lot of dried herbs and like flower petals, and I'm like, I could be doing all of this from my garden. So I'm so excited to like dry my own herbs and stuff to give to them. So that's super neat, but this one's already done for me and ready to go. It says holistic support for the physical and mental health of backyard chickens. How to use. Mix healthful hen rosemary supplement with your flock's regular dry feed or spread by hand for an occasional delicious treat. So they'll just straight eat the rosemary too. I try to give them some fresh rosemary. They didn't really care for it too much. Right now they are all about my top of my carrot greens. That's like their favorite thing ever. If they see me with a green thing in my hand, they are like, give it to me, give it to me. They're like running all over. It's the cutest thing ever. But I try to give them just regular rosemary and they just didn't seem too into it, but they're still small. So at least now I know as they get older, I have a whole lot more things and stuff that I can be introducing them to. So I'm super excited. This one says Crazy Chicken Lady Candy Company Chicken Feet Gummies. Okay, wait. So are these for the person or are these for the chicken? Because I'm so confused. Let me see what this card says down here. This card is not keep calm and love chickens. I collect stickers, so I'm definitely going to save that one. That is super cute. Keep calm and love chickens. So this card here, I thought maybe it would go over the products in the box, but it doesn't. So they don't have a card to tell you anything. I kind of feel that that would be good, especially in this style box where some is to be consumed by the human and some is to be consumed by the animal. So to me, it's like they should give you some type of a paper so you can decipher between human versus chicken food. You know what I mean? I'm going to assume this is for us. Oh, not intended to be fed to chickens or any other pets. Okay, so this is for us. But again, it would be nice if there was a card so you didn't have to, you know, try to figure it out or investigate. But let's go ahead and open up these chicken feet gummies and see what they look like. And oh my gosh, they literally are chicken feet. They literally are chicken feet. That is so cute though. Oh, they smell good. They taste good. So on this card is really neat. It's called Coop Tips, medicinal herbs, seeds, and plants for chickens. Rosemary enhances respiratory health, promotes pain relief, and acts as a natural insecticide. insecticide. Basil boosts immune system functions and improves mucous membrane health. Thyme helps intestinal barrier integrity, antioxidant status, and biochemistry. Fennel acts as a relaxant to improve mental health and egg-laying stimulation. Marjoram, I don't think I've ever heard of marjoram. It kind of looks like a mint in a way, but it says marjoram, I believe, optimizes reproductive health and protects against harmful bacteria. And then there's flax, which is a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. That's good to know though. So you have all of those, you know what they do, the benefits and everything, which some of these, like half of these I have growing in my garden, and that's already what I have been kind of giving them a little bit with the carrot green. So I'm actually right on track. So I'm doing good. Then there's one item left in here, and that is, I guess, the brush. And I'm actually excited to get the brush because I'm like, now I can sit there and like brush your little feathers out. So it says feather brush, a super soft, durable brush that's perfect for gentle grooming and cleaning your flock's feathers, feet, and beaks. Oh, that's even great. Their feet and their beaks too to clean them. Yes, so not just for their feathers. Alrighty, so then this is what it looks like on the top, the side, and it's very, very soft bristles. I'm excited. I don't like stickers on things, so I try to, yep, that's just my luck. That always happens. Anytime I try to take a sticker off something, it always, is anybody else like that? Like my man can get it all off in like one shot. Me, it's like 40 million times I got to try to get it off, and then I'm still trying to pick the last little bit off. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got almost all of the sticker off, and now we just have the nice little brush, again, for their feathers, their feet, and their little beak. That is so neat. So that is everything that came in this box. Again, I'm not quite sure if we received a welcome box first or if this is actually July's or June's box. I'm not quite sure. I tried to search on YouTube, good old YouTube, like July and June 2022 CoopCrate boxes, and I couldn't find anything. So I don't know which box this is. If you guys know, let us know because we're just as confused. So that is everything for this box. Again, thank you so much, Rena, for sending this my way so I can show my viewers another chicken box. And now this is be the third one you guys will be able to see, and that should definitely give me some insight on which one to keep moving forward, that kind of thing. Once we see a few more boxes from the others, I'm super excited about this concept though. So going over a quick recap for this, whichever kind of box this one is, you do have this little card, which I really do like, with the herbs and what they do and how they benefit the chickens. You do have an item for yourself, is the chicken feet gummies. I'm assuming this is like a little squishy stress reliever ball. That would be for the human as well. For the chicken, you do have the rosemary, dried rosemary. You have this treat, and then you have a brush, and then there's a cute sticker, and then this little hen humor card that's in here as well. All right, you guys, so again, that is everything for this particular box. Go ahead and head on over to Rena's channel so you can see what she got in her box, see if they're the same, if they're different, that kind of thing. Definitely go check her out. If you missed the chicken love video, that's both on our channel, so you can still see that one. That was last month. I definitely am loving that one so far because it does come with the shirt. So it's really neat to be able to see 3 different companies, see what they do. And then, like I said, we'll go from there. So let me know what you think so far. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.